Mushroom cultivation typically begins with selecting a suitable substrate, such as straw, wood chips, or compost, which is then sterilized to eliminate any competing microorganisms. Next, mushroom spores or spawn are introduced to the substrate under controlled environmental conditions, such as temperature and humidity, to encourage growth. Over time, the mycelium, or fungal network, colonizes the substrate, eventually producing mushrooms. Sterilizing substrates for mushroom cultivation is a crucial step to prevent contamination, which is a common pain point for growers. Contaminants such as mold, bacteria, or yeast can quickly outcompete mushroom mycelium, leading to failed batches and wasted resources. The sterilization process, which typically involves high heat and pressure, can be time-consuming and requires precise execution. To ensure all unwanted microorganisms are eliminated. In this process, a steam boiler plays a crucial role in creating sterilized media to minimize contamination risks, adding complexity and potential frustration to the mushroom cultivation process. High-efficiency steam boilers are designed to address several common problems associated with traditional steam boilers, including energy wastage, high operational costs, and environmental impact. At the heart of this system lies its most distinctive feature, the ACF tube, or alternating cross-section flattened tube. These specialized tubes perform 2.5 times better than traditional circular tubes, significantly improving heat transfer efficiency. The design prioritizes both compactness and safety, making it ideal for facilities with limited space while maintaining strict safety standards. Operating parameters are set at 150 degrees Celsius and 3 bar pressure, striking an optimal balance between performance and safety. One of the most impressive aspects of this system is its sterilization capability. A complete sterilization cycle takes just 4 hours, making it highly efficient for industrial applications where time is crucial. Today, we're exploring an innovative collaboration between two regions in Thailand, Chiang Mai in the north and Phat Phalung in the south, showcasing how traditional knowledge and modern technology are coming together in agricultural development. The implementation of the high-efficiency steam boiler in these community mushroom enterprises has yielded remarkable results. Let's hear directly from the users about the transformative impact on their operations. Biomass fuel usage down by 64%, operating time cut in half. Zero waste from sterilization, revenue up by 50%, and daily productivity doubled. These impressive results show how the right technology can transform community enterprises, making them more efficient, profitable, and sustainable.